Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Rohan Bijou, and today we're going to take a look at a gaming headphone. So it's the Jiko G50, and you can find it on Amazon, and the link will be in the description. So what's really special about these headphones? So I think one thing that makes it stand out from the rest is its price point. So it comes at around $24, which is insane for a gaming headphones. I mean, there are a lot of gaming headphones like that in the market, but after testing it out and just taking it for a spin, I think it might be actually worth its price. I think it might, be a steal because it's very, very well done. It's like a very good design, very good audio. The microphone is amazing. Just everything together makes it a really, really good product for a great price. So I'm here to give my thoughts on it, give a little bit of specs, what you get in the box, what each functionality is. So that's what we're gonna be covering in this video. But before that, please subscribe to this channel if you wanna watch more future content like this. Like this video if you found this helpful, and comment any questions, concerns, or just general comments about, the Jiko G50. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. So I think first let's talk about what you get in the box, and there's just 3 items, so there isn't much to talk about. So it's just the headphones, the splitter, and the manual, and that's pretty much it. Right, so let's talk more about the headphones itself. So it has a 3.5mm jack, which can be used with a PS5, PS4, Xbox, Switch, iPad, or an Android device. And I actually tested out these headphones with my Xbox Series One X for different gameplays, and I'll give more about the thoughts later on. There's also a splitter included in the box, which can be used for a PC or a laptop. And this headphones is really good. It has really good design for something around $24. The logo stands out, and it's really, really good to hold. It has a really good heft to it, and it has a really good quality. It weighs about 0.66 pounds, which is a bit heavy for me, but for other people out there, this might be pretty, lightweight compared to other gaming headphones. There's a really nice long braided cable for durability, and there's volume control and a mute control on a small controller on the braided cable itself. I mean, the wire is really good. It has really good quality for the price, but the controls are, is a bit janky since it's made out of plastic. But I'm not gonna complain a lot about that because it's really well done overall. The earmuffs are very soft and breathable, and it's actually made out of memory foam, which is great for a long-term use. The ear cups are a large size, so it can fit around your ear for any size, instead of pushing the headphones onto your ear and, really hurting it. The right and left ear muffs are clearly marked in a really cool font, and as you may notice, the braided cable actually connects to the left ear muff, which is pretty comfortable for me. There's also a knob on the left ear muff, which, doesn't really do anything, but it's just there for aesthetics. The top of the headphones looks really comfortable and feels really comfortable, and is great for long-term wear. The muffs also extend nicely with a retractable steel connector so that you can have a comfortable fit for any head size. So one problem I had was that there was a small gap between the headphones and the ear, like right about here, and I could hear a bit of outside noise, and it wasn't really comfortable for that long. I kind of got used to it, but I feel like for a lot of people it might not be that comfortable, so it's gonna be a small gap here for my head size, but based on that experience, it's a bit uncomfortable. But overall, I think if you're okay with that, this is pretty good. There's also the mic, which has an inbuilt noise cancellation. It actually works pretty well, and you can actually pretty much move the mic anywhere since it's flexible. It's sort of like that steel cable, so you can move it in any direction. And enough of me talking about the sound quality of the microphone. Here is the sound test for that. So this is the sound test. So obviously you can hear it. There's not much background noise. The voice is very crisp. You can hear me very well. You can obviously hear a little bit of breathing. That doesn't matter. It's not that important, but there's that small thing that other people might find annoying. But you can obviously hear a little like a little breathing noises. But overall, the sounds amazing. This would be great for office calls, schoolwork, or even general gameplay when you're in a voice chat or something like that. So this would be really good. As you can see, the noise quality is really, really good for the price. It's really crisp. There isn't really a lot of background noise, and it's just very nice to hear and, very good. I think it's time to talk more about the important part of this headphones, which is the sound quality. So I just gotta say, it's incredibly, it's like a phenomenal headphones for sound quality. It doesn't necessarily have surround sound or something like that, but for the price $24, it's really good. I think it even competes with $60 to $70 headphones. So I actually watched like videos, gameplay obviously, to test out the sound range. It's just absolutely amazing. The bass is really good. It gets that ultra deep bass. It also gets nice treble, and the voices are very clear when seeing a dialogue on on a video game or a video. It's really clear and it's really good. Obviously, it's not on the level of like Sonos or Bose, but for the price $24, it's very, very good. So I've tested it throughout many gameplays like Quantum Break. I play it with Jedi Fallen Order, Batman Arkham Knight. You know, getting those punches are very crisp in your ear. And it's just a beautiful sound to hear for that price. I just use it day to day for either schoolwork or even, you know, for work. And it works very well. I gave it to my dad and he really enjoyed it. And he currently uses it for work itself, and it's just absolutely amazing. I think overall my final verdict is that, you know, this headphones is really good for the price. I mean, the sound quality, voice is crisp, really good action sequences can be heard very well with this headphones. The microphone is pretty crisp. I mean, obviously it's not as great as, you know, very high-end headphones or, you know, just microphones in general. It's just not that great, but it sounds great for the price. And then overall, you know, use case of this is very good. You can use this for work, you know, school, just casual gaming. If you want, you know, more immersive noises, I think you might have to go to more higher end headphones, but if you are looking for a budget, this would be perfectly awesome. And then one thing that I really liked, I mean, it's not necessarily like a very big feature, is that the braided cable is pretty long. It's very long for, you know, headphones I've seen before. It's not gonna be like a hassle to, you know, connect it to like a computer and then, you know, have that shortage problem. So if you connect it, you obviously have that length to wear it, and it's pretty good. And I think that's just a small quirk that I found was very interesting and very useful for me. But overall, this is an amazing headphones, and if you are looking for something with a budget, you can check these out. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found this very helpful. Like this video if you did, and comment any questions or concerns, and I'll try my best to answer them. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more future content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.